Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Small Tackle Box Fishing. Today we're fishing the world famous spot that we always come to on our northern trips. Today we're fishing for muskie and bass. There's a legendary spot where there's a 45-inch muskie, so I might try that area. We have Daddy, aka Big Game, and so we'll try it. Yesterday it's big. It's running. He does not want to come up. It's insane, whatever it is, it's big. Dad, I got a monster on right now, hurry! He's running on this little rod. He took a screaming run of like 20 yards. Yeah, well, I can't eat it right now. No, it's a 6-pound line, Daddy. I don't know. I think it's a muskie. Yeah. You can record it on your phone. Oh no, I got it on my chest. It's recording. Well, I think it could be a big bass. Yeah. Here's coming up. Oh. Ooh. I can't high five you. I want to be careful. 6-pound line. All I see is my rod about to fall in the water, so I run. On a piece of sucker. It was just a little piece to try to catch a sunfish. At least 12 pounds, maybe 20. Out of nowhere. Oh, I'm bringing him up. I know, he's tired. He's coming up. It might be a catfish. It's a cat. Land him. Jump. Yes! He's a good 2 feet long. Guys, look at that catfish.
Hold your head up more.
Biggest fish I've caught all year. Bigger than my bass.
We can do a close up on his face, bro.
Dad, when I didn't see my bobber, I was like, there's no way that's a fish. And I said, oh my God, my rod's about to fall in the water. I gotta run. Yeah, and I was like, holy cow, this is what's a muskie? Might. But I gotta get my weight scale up, so I might have to.
Roll up his sleeves. Keep your hands straight. Keep your arms straight. Keep your arms straight. Long.
Okay. Wow, dang. I don't care that it's a catfish. This one's big enough that it's nice. Okay. What do you think he weighs? I give him 7 pounds.
Let's say 5 pounds total.
This is my biggest bass this year. Okay, malfunctioning. £7 even.
Is it?
Yeah.
So 7 pounds was the measurement, right?
Yeah. Guys, 7-pound catfish. Biggest fish of the year, all year for me. Fight of my life. Fought harder than the shark I caught. And now, Daddy, he lost a 40-pound muskie. Oh, I got a fish! I got a fish! Oh, I got a fish! I got a fish! I got a fish! I got a fish! It's a muskie. Oh my, I got a fish as I'm on the phone!
My God, it's unbelievable.
You can stay on the line if you want. That was the most irritating fight of my whole life. And another PB catfish. This one's a monster. I thought for sure I finally caught my muskie, my dream fish. Instead it's just another one of these fatzos. These things are huge and ugly. Okay. Freaking catfish. What the heck? Another one? Really? Another fish. Now a bite's going, huh? Bite is wacky, guys. Okay, let's get the weight scale for my new PV catfish. Insane. 7 pounds, 8 ounces for a new PB, guys. That 7-pounder. Okay, well. This guy. 7.5 pounds. Perfect dive, 11 out of 10. It was so good.